Oh, hai. Ahmad Rin. Oh, ajar fizik ke? Senang je. Jom. Assalamualaikum and hi. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about the modification that we did on an electric kettle so that it can work efficiently, and the safety measure that we put on the electric kettle so that we can use it safely. So, for the first modification that we did on electric kettle is we'll change the resistor wire to a nichrome type wire. The reason for this modification is so that more heat energy can be produced so that the water can be boiled faster.
Hi, so for the second aspect will be the material of the casting wire. So the material of the casting wire must be on a high melting point so that it is not easy to be melt under a high temperature. And the second one, the number of loop of the heating element must be as many as possible so that the total surface area can be increased so that more heat can be released.
The modification that we will do for this electric kettle is we will increase the power to produce more heat energy in the coil. Other than that, rate of oxidation of heating element must be lower to secure that it does not get rust easily.
The last modification that we will do on our electric kettle is for safety reason, which we will use a 3-pin plug rather than use 2-pin plug. The reason if there is a short circuit, the overload current will flow to the earth.
Here's a drawing that we included so that it will be easier to understand. So, other than the modification that we told just now regarding safety, we can also put a thermostat as a safety measure so that when water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, the electric kettle will automatically turn off. So, to recap, the modification that we did are:
First, use nichrome type of resistant wire. Second, use high melting point of casting wire. Third, increase the number of loop of heating element. Fourth, use higher power of electric kettle. And then, use lower rate of oxidation of heating element. Next, use a 3-pin plug for safety reason. Lastly, add a thermostat as a safety measure. So, that's all for our modification assignment. Thank you for watching.